I welcome you to another all-in-one incredible AI flip tools by Google. And in today's video, I'm going to show you these incredible tools that you can use to perform any daily activities for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Chrome browser, just like what you see right here. Then after you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure you log into your Chrome browser. So when you log into your Chrome browser, you have access to some of the tools right here. Then when you log into your Chrome browser, you have your Gmail, your images, and Lab. And right here, make sure you click on Google Apps right here. So when you click on Google Apps, you're going to see all available apps by Google. Scroll down right there and make sure you navigate to Vids. Right click on it and make sure you click on Open Link in New tab. So when you click on Open Link in New tab, the next thing you want to do is go ahead and visit the new tab right here. Then here you go. You have access to some of the ready-made templates right here, such as you can convert slide to video right here, turn your presentation into videos with AI-generated voiceover. Then you can also screen record yourself. Then you can also record yourself, screen record, or both. That is, you can screen record yourself and at the same time you record your face if your PC has a webcam. And the next one here is upload. So you can use media from your Google Drive, Google Photo, or from your computer and convert it to a video with this particular tools right here. And here are some of the templates right here. Then come down below right here, you have storyboard right here. Generate a video outline complete with stock media and an AI voiceover. So you can also do this stuff right here. And at the same time, you can create a blank feed right here. So when you create a blank feed, it allows you to customize based on what you need right here. Now, let's say you want to record your PC screen with voiceover. So you have to make sure you navigate to this record right here. Click on the record tab. Then you have the record environment right here. So now, if your PC has a, so this is going to pump up and asking for the mic. So you can allow the mic if you want to record voice based on your recording right here. And at the same time, you want to camera and screen. So if your PC has a webcam, you can use this particular features right here. But if you do not have a webcam, so you can leave it with camera and screen, then you can easily go to screen record right here. So when you just screen record, you can see my screen have started record right here, just like what you see right here. Then here, so you can see the video right here. So recording, so no microphone access. So we have to make sure we give access to microphone. So right here, choose what you want to share, and I'm going to select this and share. Then you have everything being recorded. You can see my screen have started record right here. So for you to start, so you can see I'm ready to record my screen right here. Now, if you want to start your recording, click on this particular icon right here. Once you click on that, then at the count of 2, 1, boom, then you start recording your screen, just like what you see right there. So everything I'm doing on the screen right here is being recorded. If I create a new tab, it's going to be automatically record just like so. So let's go back to the feed right here, and then I can go ahead and stop my record. And for that, just come down right here and make sure you click on pause recording right here. So once you click on pause recording, you can check on the preview right here. You can check on the preview of your record. So let's find out. So just like so. So when I insert, then here we can edit whatever we capture right here. We can add audio. We can replace video right here, like upload a new video, generate an image, Google Drive photos, stock or the web, and then you can also make a record. It will take us to media environment right here, whereby we can do a lot of stuff right here. We can also do some video size right here. We can decide to change the format of our free video recording. Click on apply, and it's going to apply automatically, just like what you see right here. So we can go back to the we can zoom out, or better still, we can fit to the screen. We can come back here and change the orientation of the video. Let's flip back to 16:9 pixels, and it's taken back within a few seconds, just like what you see right there. So here we can zoom out, just for us to see the audio wave right here. So you can see the audio wave. So we can edit as many as possible, everything right here as far as this particular tool is concerned. Let's go back to the